What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We got Lanz over here. Tell them what we're doing today.
We're doing some LCA, toe arms, spacers, get that shit cambered out.
Yup, and if you didn't know, this is his car here. He got a FRS, and oh shit, my bad. We'll see the interior here. Pretty nice. And then he got these wheels on there. Front lip. It's pretty clean. But right now we are gonna install some lower arms for him. So we got the toe arms here. I think they're FT86 Speed Factory or some shit. And then we got the Blocks Racing lower control arms there. And then we're about to get started. The car's jacked up right now. And then I believe we'll be replacing these two arms there. And then he's gonna add some camber. So shit, it's that stance life. The low D pulled up. Damn, okay. Making the block hot. Shit. Damn, bro. Rubbing hella bad. What's up, Lodi? To take the lowers out, it is a 17, 17, and a 14 here, I believe. And then this shit should pop down like that. And then I believe there's one right over here.
How much of this is that? Huh? What's that?
And here are the arms, guys. Shiny as fuck.
Shiny as fuck.
Holy shit.
Man.
That looks sick.
24, bro. I hope this shit don't fade out.
Bro. Shout out to Blocks Racing. We got a good deal on these when they're during their sale, I think.
Yeah, Christmas sale.
Yeah.
You ain't loading.
Which one is it?
Right there. This one there.
Okay.
But I hope I don't fucking.
You got it?
Oh, I got it. Yeah,
Yeah, you got it already.
Yeah.
Alright, and then.
That and these right here.
So, y'all,
like-
we just got off the toe arm right now.
This shit took us like what? 20 minutes?
For real? And then this is the new one right here. So we're just gonna match the length right there. And then we should be good to go. Let's throw in the new one. Or should we take off the LCA first? Alright, let's take the LCA off. So let's do that real quick and then update you guys right after. So we're gonna take off this thing right there. We just got off the lower control arms right here. Where is it?
Right there under the car.
Oh, got a good shot of that. It's right here, and then I guess that's the new one right there. It looks a lot better. It looks beefier. Like the material's better and shit. And then these are actually adjustable, so we're gonna go probably max them out. Right? You gonna max it out?
Not sure about that. Maybe. you got to.
Let's see, bruh.
New phone. Who this? Hello.
New phone.
Yeah.
Who this?
About to max this shit out.
What'd you say?
You got some Q-tips? My ears are itchy.
In the bathroom. Oh shit! I stepped on it. Bro.
Oh
my god, bro. Look what you did. Look what you did, bro.
He's the rich guy, but he'll give me.
I know. You want to buy a new one for him?
You bought some PBM in for him, huh?
That's you. It's your fault. PBM, right?
Yup.
And look at the new arms, though. They're in right now. As you can see, that's the Blocks arm. Everything's bolted up. And then we just need to put on the toe arm on this side. And then we're also going to do the other side. So he's adjusting it right now. Sheesh. My bad, Balla.
Oh, you.
All gold everything, huh? Yeah, it looks pretty good.
Gold on my watch.
Any thoughts?
Oh. I'm gonna be like this Lodi too. Should I? That's all the way, bro. That's like the lowest settings right here.
Mm-hmm.
Then just adjust it once it's in.
When it's in, yeah.
Yeah. Alright, Lodi. Fuck. With the other one. There we go.
Let's go,
You have the
baby.
bolt?
Yeah. But not here.
There it is. It should be this one, right?
Yeah.
Fuck, is it?
Is it the same on the other side?
No.
For real?
It's different. It's not even sharp. Yeah, yeah, I don't think so, bro.
Okay, fuck.
It's already aligned though. Is the wrong one?
Okay.
Isn't it this one?
Here.
Oh, this one. I think it's this one.
There's one here.
I think. No,
This one came from this side too.
Oh, I think they're all the same, bro.
They're basically all the same almost, except for the small one is a 14.
Is it
The
this
third one.
Is it this one? You think?
Yeah, that looks right. Yeah, we're putting that shit on.
Mga bad lorries. Yung mga lorry ko dito.
What'd you say?
Mga lorries. You
My Lan's putting in that work right now.
Yeah, you see them games?
Yeah. With the CDG shirt, he doesn't even care if it gets dirty, bruh. Damn.
That ain't nothing to him. That's pocket chump change. That looks like pennies to him.
We're all right.
Hell no. You see him working at shift, bud?
For real though. For real.
Look, you guys have a job, I know.
Shut the fuck up, valet boy. Look at this fucking hoodie too. It's fucking dirty now.
I don't have a job.
It's hella dirty.
Ooh, you got a notification from Tinder.
I do?
No, Chris.
Oh, shit. How do you even adjust this, bro? That's so bad, bro.
No, because these bolts are supposed to be like loose as shit. Look, is this loosening it?
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Put it all the way here so this doesn't get blocked. There you go, yeah.
What the fuck?
Yeah,
That's what I was doing earlier.
Yeah.
Alright, so this
Oh,
side.
it's going out now.
Which one? Which side? Oh, this one.
Make
Oh, this
the toe
one.
longer. Make the toe
Yeah,
longer.
this one right here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So we're currently working on the rear passenger side right now. As you can see, we are test fitting with 20mm spacers in the back. So clearly he doesn't clear. So he's gonna get more camber because he has not rolled his fenders yet. And currently we are adding more camber with the LCA.
Actually,
And seeing
It's towing in still.
if he could
I
fit
know,
it.
I gotta adjust that.
Just a little bit.
And it's pretty dark out here. Looks like it might rain soon, so. And because these dudes got work, so. Chris, don't you got work tomorrow?
Yeah, 7. Are
So,
you
yeah.
adjusting it right
So
though?
we're just trying to finish this, so we could go out and eat. Yeah. Damn, that dude just ran a stop sign. Jesus Christ.
Alright, y'all. Lance just adjusted the toe and everything. This shit looks pretty good. We just got a little bit of camber, as you can see.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. But the spacer, we actually had to take it off because the tire was hitting the fender a little bit. So we still need to get the fenders rolled. But yeah, it's a process.
What's up, man? No paparazzi. Sorry, I can't be seen in Daly City while I'm on tour.
He's here.
Go through.
You good, Lance?
Yeah. No, I don't know how to type this shit, bro.
Which one?
It's both sides, right?
Yeah, both sides. Make it touch the middle
Yeah.
the pole.
All right, so we're working on the rear driver side now. We already have the LCAs on, but we're doing toe arms as well, just tightening
Toe arms
stuff
are
up,
alright.
and then
Toe arms are good, but we just need to adjust the camera and ship toe now. Everything's on.
we're gonna be adjusting his LCAs too, so
You get camber.
it's camber for shit. Just keep that out though. Link in his Instagram here. Whatever, sick.
Alright, so we just messed with the toe and camber. Looks like this right now. I think the toe looks pretty good, right? Actually, nah, I think this should be... I think this toe is still fucked up a little bit.
Yeah, because I adjusted the camber.
Yeah, but the other side should be good.
Yeah.
Let me see. There you go. See, the toe on this side is a lot better. Yeah, there you go. Looks
Yeah,
pretty
I
good.
can't wait this to go down.
For real, we gotta jack it down soon. See what's up. But the meantime, here's the car. Sheesh. Looks pretty good.
Alright, so.
And we just need to fix the toe on this side, I think. Alright, y'all, everything's done right now. We are gonna take out the jack stands and then we'll check this shit out. See what's going on. Should be good. We adjusted the toe and the camber on both sides. Here's how much it's looking at from the back.
All right.
Looks pretty good. All right.
Ready?
All right, bro. Drop that shit. Oh shit! The moment of truth. Oh yo, that shit looks good. Damn.
Dude.
What?
Bro, I can't take this shit out. I told you.
All right, just jack it back up, and then we'll put something under it. That looks low now. It looks lower.
Dang, that's clean.
Dude, what the fuck? That's wet.
Maybe soon.
I think it's towing out a little bit, but
Oh, really? Yeah, that's why I need alignment.
yeah. Why'd you break that way? Oh shit. Does it clear?
Yep.
Holy shit, that's slam, bruh. Hey, yo, you're slam now. Yo, you gotta lower the fronts, bruh. Yo, what the fuck? Look at that shit. Dude, you're slam now, no cap. If we ain't tucking,
We're fucking.
holy shit. Dude, I didn't think it would be that low. What the fuck? It's not even maxed out on the coils and it's looking like that. God damn. That's clean as fuck, bro. That's clean if you got like a 10 mil spacer.
Damn.
Bro, 10 mil spacer, you're gonna be solid. Holy shit, guys. What do you guys think? Clean? Look at that shit. Dude,
I'm hella low.
bro, you gotta lower the fronts. I think it's because of the brick though that you're that low. Because it's on the brick. I don't think it's really that low.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
All right, I'm on.
You gonna pull forward? It's kind of crazy, bro. It kind of looks crazy, bro. Holy fuck.
It's like, Wokja.
Yeah. Pretty bad, bro. You gotta like shave the fender and the bumper a little bit.
But I gotta.
You gotta shave this part off. You have to.
No, I gotta raise my clothes.
Yeah, you're gonna raise it, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, raise it like an inch.
Yeah.
Yeah, but if your ride height was like this, it'd be wet though.
I know, bro.
Fuck.
I need some 326.
You need stiffer
50K.
springs? You need stiffer springs? Dude, that looks wet.
Yeah, that was hella nice.
Bro, it's hella low, bro. What the fuck? I didn't know it would be that low, though. What the fuck? Alright, guys, we finally just finished because the lower control arm popped off because he wanted to max it out too much. But now this is the final height, so we're looking good on clearance and everything so far. So yeah, it looks pretty good. Let me know what you guys think of this camber down below. And if you want to see more of this content, let me know. Got a lot of shit coming for this car as well. Damn. What'd you say?
Cool. Good day.
Good day, good day. Shout out to Blocks once again. If you guys want some nice camber in the back, definitely recommend this. But actually, I think they're back at normal price now. So I believe they were like $100 on Christmas, or like it was like 120 or something.
Yeah, 120, 110.
Something like that. And then they actually raised the price back to 300. So if you guys missed out, you missed out. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.